question number 2. Find, again we need to do the division process, right? Here division of decimal numbers are given, right? So let's start it with our question number 1. It is 4.8 divided by 10, right? Now our first step is we need to remove the decimal point, right? So it becomes 48. After that we need to count the number of digits present after the decimal point. Here after decimal point only one digit is there, so in denominator 10, that means we need to put 10. Okay, so 4.8, it is 48 divided by 10. First of all we need to remove the decimal point, so 48. After decimal point one digit is there, so we need to put 10. Now we need to convert this division into multiplication, right? And our second number is 10. We need to take reciprocal of 10, right? Right now nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1. Okay, now reciprocal of 10 by 1, it is 1 by 10. Okay, we need to change the numerator and denominator, so 10 by 1 it becomes 1 by 10. Okay, now we need to do multiplication process. So 48 ones are 48, and in denominator 10 multiplied 10, it is 100. Okay, so 48 upon 100. So now in denominator we have two zeros, so in numerator before two digit we need to put decimal point. Okay, so in numerator we have 48, before two digit, that means this 4 and 8, we need to put decimal point here. Before that nothing is remaining, so 0, so 0.48. Okay, again 4.8 divided by 10. First of all remove the decimal point, so 48. After decimal point one digit is there, 8, right? So in denominator we need to put 10, that means 10. Then we need to convert this division into multiplication. We need to take reciprocal of second number. Nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1. Now reciprocal of 10 by 1, it is 1 by 10. Okay, and in numerator 48 ones are 48, and in denominator 10 tens are 100. Okay, now in denominator we have two zeros, so before two zeros, so before two digit we need to put decimal point in numerator, so that two digit is 48. Before that we need to put decimal point, before that nothing is remaining, so 0.48. Okay, for conversion of division into multiplication we need to take reciprocal of second number. Okay, we only need to take reciprocal of second number. Our first number remains as it is. Okay, then second question, 52.5 divided by 10. Okay, first of all ignore the decimal point, so it becomes 5 to 5, right? And here after decimal point one digit is there, so we need to put 10 in denominator, that means 10. Okay, so 5 to 5 divided by 10. Then we need to convert this division into multiplication, and we need to take reciprocal of second number. Okay, now in denominator nothing is there, so we can write 1. Now we need to take reciprocal of second number, so reciprocal of 10 by 1, it is 1 by 10. Okay, now in numerator we need to do multiplication process, so 5 to 5 multiply 1, it is 5 to 5, divided by 10 multiply 10, 100. Now in denominator we have 20, so in numerator before two digit we need to put decimal point, so here we have 5 to 5, before two digit, that means 2 and 5, here we need to put decimal point. Okay, before two digit, so 5.25. Again 52.5 divided by 10. First of all we need to ignore the decimal point, so 5 to 5. Here after decimal point one digit is there, so in denominator we need to write 10. Then we need to convert this division into multiplication, and we need to take reciprocal of second number, right? Now 10 is there, nothing is there in denominator, so we need to write 1. We need to take reciprocal of 10 by 1, it is 1 by 10. So in numerator 5 to 5 ones are 5 to 5 divided by 10 tens are 100. So in numerator before 2 digit we need to put decimal point, so it becomes 5.25. Okay, then question number 3, 0.7 divided by 10. Okay, first of all we need to convert this decimal number into fraction, so ignore the decimal point. So 7, here after decimal point only one digit is there, so in denominator we need to write 10, that means 10. Okay, 10 and before 1, so 10. Then we need to convert this division into multiplication. Okay, and we need to take reciprocal of second number. Okay, here nothing is present in denominator of 10, so it is 10 by 1. Now we need to take reciprocal of this number. Reciprocal, that means we need to change our numerator and denominator. Okay, so 1 goes in numerator and 10 goes to the denominator, so it is 1 by 10. Okay, if we change the position of numerator and denominator, so 10 by 1 becomes 1 by 10. Okay, for conversion of division into multiplication we need to take reciprocal of second number. Okay, now in numerator 7 ones are 7 and in denominator 10 tens are 100. Okay, now in denominator we have two zeros, so in numerator before two digit we need to put decimal point, but here we have only one digit in numerator, so before that we need to put 0, so it becomes two digit. Okay, now before two digit, that means 0 and 7, we need to put decimal point and nothing is remaining, so here again we need to write 0. So our answer is 0.07. Okay, then question number 4, 33.1 divided by 10. Okay, first of all ignore the decimal point, so it becomes 331. Okay, now after decimal point we have only one digit, so in denominator we need to write 10. Okay, 10. Then we need to convert this division into multiplication. Okay, and we need to take reciprocal of second number. Now here only 10 is there, nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1. And for reciprocal we need to change our numerator and denominator, so 10 by 1 it becomes 1 by 10. Okay, now in numerator 331 multiply 1, it is 331, and denominator 10 into 10, 100. Okay, so 331 divided by 100. Now in denominator we have two zeros, so in numerator before two digit we need to write decimal point. So this is our first digit, this is our second digit, so before two digits, so here we need to put decimal point. Okay, before two digit. In denominator we have two zeros, so before two digit we need to put decimal point. Then question number 5, 272.23 divided by 10. First of all we need to ignore the decimal point, so 27223 divided by, now after decimal point two zeros, two digits are present, so in denominator we need to put 20, before that 1, that means 100. Okay, now we need to convert this division into multiplication. Here nothing is there, so we can write 10 by 1. Okay, and we need to take reciprocal of 10 by 1, it is 1 by 10. Okay, now 27223 multiply 1. In multiplication we need to multiply numerator versus numerator, so 27223 multiply 1, it is same 27223, and in denominator 100 multiply 10, it is 1000, right? 100 multiply 10, it is 1000. Now in denominator we have three zeros, so in numerator we need to put decimal point before three digit. Okay, right now we have 27223 before three digit, right? This is first digit, second digit and third digit, and before third digit we need to put decimal point. That means 27.223. Okay, our answer is 27.223. Then question number 6. 0.56 divided by 10. Okay, now first of all we need to convert this 0.56 into fraction. So for that we need to ignore the decimal point. Okay, so 56 divided by, now after decimal point here we have two digits, so in denominator two zeros we need to put, before that one, that means 100. Okay, so 0.56 is equals to 56 divided by 100. Now we need to convert this division into multiplication, and we need to take reciprocal of second number. Right now nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1. Okay, now we need to take reciprocal of 10 by 1, it is 1 by 10. Okay, we need to change our numerator and denominator. Okay, now in numerator 56 multiply 1, it is 56 only, and denominator 100 multiply 10, it is 1000. Okay, so 56 divided by 1000. Now in denominator we have total 3 zeros, so before 3 digit we need to put decimal point in numerator, but in numerator we have only 2 digit. Okay, but we want 3 digit, so we need to put 0 here, and before this 3 digit we need to put decimal point. Okay, and nothing is remaining, so again we need to write 0, so our answer is 0.056. Okay, then question number 7. 3.97 divided by 10. First of all we need to convert this 3.97 into fraction. Okay, and for that first of all we need to ignore the decimal point, so it becomes 397. Okay, now after decimal point two digits are present, so in denominator we need to write 100, 20, right? Now we need to convert this division into multiplication. Okay, here we have 10, nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1. Okay, now we need to take our reciprocal of 10 by 1, so reciprocal of 10 by 1, it is 1 by 10. Okay, now in numerator 397 multiply 1, it is 397 divided by 100 into 10, it is 1000. Okay, 100 multiplied 10, it is 1000. So here we have three zeros in denominator, so in numerator we need to put decimal point before 3 digit. Okay, so 397, so before this 3 digit we need to put decimal point, before that nothing is remaining, so 0, so our answer is 0.397. Okay, so alternately what we need to do? Okay, first of all we need to convert our first number into fraction, so for that we need to ignore the decimal point, we need to count the number of digits present after the decimal point. According to that we need to put our denominator. Right now two digits are there, so two zeros, before that one, that means 100. Then we need to convert this division into multiplication, and for that we need to take reciprocal of second number. Now in second number nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1. Now reciprocal of 10 by 1, it is 1 by 10. Then we need to multiply our numerator versus numerator. Okay, and denominator versus denominator. Okay, and again we need to convert our answer into decimal number. Here three zeros are present, so in numerator before 3 digit we need to put decimal point, so before this 3 digit we need to put here 0. So this is our final answer. Okay, thank you.